Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about YouTube 10 prediction system. So now I have entered all the inputs. Now what it should show means like here you can see that one. So one is nothing. It should be trended video. So we'll check how the model is predicting. Here you can see that like three model recreation, logistic, random forest and SVM. So giving both as the trending, everything is telling this is the trending video. So now we'll check with the one more data, which is nothing like this. First one we'll check for. So now you can see that like the prediction matrix output. So three classes, like three models also is given as not trending. So with the confidence score, and of one is giving us the 100% accuracies. So in this, which is nothing. So we are going to analysis based on the input, whether the YouTube video will trend or not, and how to improvise it. So here you can see that this is the block diagram of our project. This is for the user, then for the login and the registration. So this will be used by using SQLite, then input collections. So here you can see that these are the inputs we are going to provide like views, likes, dislikes, command count, title length, publish hour, category ID, everything. So based on that, it will automatically calculate the common command ratio, like ratio, engagement rate, everything, and then it's going to give to us model. So here we are using three model by using machine learning like logistic regression, random forest, super vector, machine SVM models. So in these three, which is learning the highest accuracy, it will going to predict whether the YouTube trend will happen or not like that. So in this, the main technologies we are using backend for Python and front end for HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and framework as the Flask, then SQLite for the database storage. And app.py, this is the main folder. So here I write command like py 3.8 app.py. So here we'll check how our website is working here. So here I have link, and this is our index pages. Here you can see that YouTube trending video prediction. So our main three algorithm we are using, and we are given fast prediction, confidence score, best model selection, as well as we have multiple buttons like login, register, about. So in about page, you can go through that like what are the technologies we have implemented and how our website will be useful. So in about page, you can go through that. And directly we cannot go for the start prediction. So instead of that, like we need to register, then we need to log in it. So once if you log in directly, you can go for the prediction button. So here you can see that it asking for the inputs like views, likes, dislike, comment, so everything. Now we'll open our data set. So this is our data set. So in dataset, how we are trying means like we are splitted 80% for training and 20% for the testing. So here total number of rows we have around 20,000. So in these 18,000 rows we will be trained, 20,000 we will be not trained, so that we will test based on that untrained. So for an example, I'm taking this fourth row. So now I have entered all the inputs. Now what it should show means like here you can see that one. So one is nothing. It should be trended video. So we'll check how the model is predicting. Here you can see that like three model recreation, logistic, random forest and SVM. So giving both as the trending, everything is telling this is a trending video with the confident weights, which is nothing like how confidently the model is telling. So here the random forest and SVM giving 100%, will go for the random forest as the best model. And here the video is likely to be trend. So now we'll check with the one more data, which is nothing like this. First one we'll check for. So now you can see that like the prediction matrix output. So three classes, like three models also is given as not trending. So with the confidence score, random forest is giving us the 100% accuracies. So we'll take for the best model as the random forest, and here it is telling like video is not likely to trend. So what we can do means like because like you can see that engagement rate is 2.8. So this is the below standard threshold. So that like what we need to do means, so we need to pin the command and interact the end-to-end screen direct question prompt like to increase the conversation density. And some of the recommendation we can give for the YouTube trend, like when we can upload the videos like that. So like this, based on the input, we can check the whether the YouTube videos will trend or not like that. So this is the overall explanations of our project. Thank you all.